think I'm the boat.
You're the boat. I see.
Could you be the one? Good.
Hello friends, today we are playing Build a Boat and Crash and Die. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm playing Build a Boat to find treasure with Ashley. So without further ado, let's get right to the video.
Let's go. Okay.
Can we do it right here?
Here.
So unorganized.
I don't care.
Nice.
No. Build a boat. We're supposed to build.
Yeah,
the
we're supposed to
boat.
build a boat.
Yeah. It doesn't have to be good. It has to last a long time. It doesn't have to be good. It has to last a long time. Last a long time.
Yeah, that means it has to be good.
I have a gamer chair for me, not you. You get a stool because you're stupid.
Let's show off our second place trophy, y'all.
Yeah. No.
That's faster. Yeah, give us a little boost. What is this, like metal?
I think those are like
Rusty metal.
rusty metal. Okay, so we have a thruster. Oh, we also need a flag. We are
Put a
prideful.
little seat belt.
Seat. You have a
Safe
seat belt?
traveling.
You get ice behind you.
Ice.
Because you need to chill. And I get a piece of grass. Because I'm crisp.
Huh?
Wait, put the cannons. Don't you have cannons?
Oh yeah, I have
What
cannons.
is this? Okay, little stick there. Okay.
A stick.
Is that yarn?
Yarn? Yeah.
You serious?
We need a window to protect our eyes.
This kid's definitely on crack right now.
No!
We need to sit in the seats! Sit in the seats! I can't get on my gamer chair!
Again?
You're always a dwarf.
No competitors.
Wow, that
We
was
are
terrible.
here to crush you.
Oh,
We
we're
look
so gonna win.
Just from the front, you can like see your little face sticking through.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little lights light on, climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little lights shine, we're going on a mission. Start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We won! I'm still alive. I think I'm
Mom,
two.
what is going on over there? Is that like
It's a balloon.
no? Dude,
Go into round 3 of Build a Boat and Sink and Die.
oh yes. Oh yes.
After 5 minutes of hard work,
Where did my
This-
cannon go? What happened to the cannon?
after 5 minutes of hard work, this is what we have come up with. Squidward. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time.